guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a little tutorial that I have just put together real quick because I'm going to take a real quick run to the supermarket, so I need to get some stuff for my house. Put a big disclaimer out there: you don't have to wear makeup when you go to the supermarket. You'll be beautiful the same way you was when you left, if you had left with makeup on. Okay, so yeah, first things first, I have not done my makeup in so long, and I say that in a meaning, like I've been so busy with regular life stuff that like I haven't really been taking time to really just, you know, enjoy doing my makeup like I usually would. Now guys, I've already basically put my foundation on. That's basically the first base, as well as my eyebrows, and now I'm putting on my concealer. All of the beginning steps, just gonna focus on the base of the face, baking obviously, then a little bit of eyeshadow, and maybe some eyeliner. I mean, I'm not sure I'm feeling for the lashes today. I mean, right now, as it's just a quick run, I'll be like sitting down in my makeup chair, and this happens to every single aspect of my life. I set my mind to doing a simple thing, and then I get there and I'm like, oh, I got extra time. You're gonna tell me twice, and then I start doing a whole shebang of things. This is what it's like for me. Like anytime I sit down to do my makeup, I'm like, okay, let me just do a simple look, a simple look, and then I leave the house and my whole face is done. Eyebrows, lashes are coming out to here, and I'm like, okay, let's go. But anyway, this is a concealer that I just started using. I mean, just started using. The Maybelline Instant Anti-Age Concealer is one of my top favorite concealers of all time at this point in my life. I'm sorry. Okay, now here's the thing about concealer. You could use a brush, you could use a sponge, a whole sponge. If you like the way the, you know, the sponge just, then baby girl, do that. I'm gonna just blend this out, and I'm gonna just make sure that that product is fully distributed to that side of my face, you know, in like a tap and drag type of motion. And I don't really bring the concealer all the time to here unless I make her like whoopsie. Going to mix Ben Nye's Topaz powder and Revolution's banana powder, as I usually do on my channel. You guys, if you've seen my videos from before, you see that I usually do that to get the perfect match for my face. Put that powder on, and we're not really gonna load the powder on the face. We're gonna just dust it over, you know, move it around. It's good to kind of like when you're doing your makeup, make faces. When you make your faces while you put your makeup on, you're actually making sure that you're getting the product everywhere. So like, you know what I mean? Like, so if I do this, the product is going all the way to where I've just stretched my face. Do you get what I mean? And that can make a big difference to your makeup. You might see creases somewhere if you didn't do that step, and it just takes that little bit of movement to stretch the face and make it a better surface to really put the products on there. So yeah, so right, what I call this step as well is the powder. You might think like, oh my god, can I really do this step when I'm going out? Yes, you can. This step is just to lock in your concealer to make sure that it's not budging, it's not sweating, it's not getting damp while you're going about your day. Okay, honey, so this is what it is. And it makes it easier when you haven't done your contour yet, because it just makes it like a pure surface to play with. Because if you had contoured at this point, you would have been doing this and then bringing the contour to where this is, and it can really be a killjoy sometimes. I know it is a killjoy for me when I'm doing my powders and then I've done a contour before and it's all getting just mushed together. I really don't like that. I don't really put nothing on my forehead. I don't know why I do that, but I do. I think it's because I've got a small forehead. Well, I don't know what you guys call big, but I feel like my forehead's a bit compact. Makes it hard to kind of like put products up there and get it into the... I try to do it sometimes, most of the time I do, but it's annoying. Now to contour, guys, this is a Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. I like this brown shade because it warms up the face. If you see, it's warmed up the face just now, yeah, compared to before. So you see how we're kind of like a blank canvas and like a proper like sculpted canvas almost. If we was to sculpt the canvas, which we haven't really yet, but we're gonna get to that point. You don't really have to be perfect with this step. You could just do what you want, obviously in moderation. You're only going to Tesco, baby, okay? You only going to the supermarket, honey. You ain't gotta be that extra, you know what I'm saying? This palette is amazing. So I suggest you guys go get yours, because I just suggest you do. If you see me applying lipstick, yeah, I'm gonna apply lipstick a couple of times through this video, because my lips be getting so dry during this, and I'm so sick of it. I'm so sick of the white powder lips with the little, I'm just stuck. I'm done. I just forgot to contour my nose again. Who does this? Who does this? And you call yourself a makeup artist? Gee, caramba. Anyway, guys, since we're gonna contour the nose that we always seem to forget about, like we have no nose, you might as well not at this point, because you keep forgetting you have one every time it comes to contouring. What the hell's going on, Jewel? Take the shade that you've been loving and boop, boop, and you were almost done with the contour, girl. Hey, what you saying? Make a fishy face and just swipe. Now, guys, you've basically finished the base of your face, so you can move on to the next step, which is the eyes. After powdering, everything just goes away, so you need to put it back, okay, honey? Put your eyes back. I'm gonna do this properly off camera, maybe. Just I'm gonna turn this way. I'm gonna edit this out. Alright, so now I'm gonna use an eyeshadow to really just these eyes out, okay? That's what I'm gonna use the eyeliner for. You ever be rushing to go to some place, whether it be work or college or whatever, and you be on the train and you be like, hey, let me just do this eyeliner. Let me slow down, because you don't want to understand shit I'm saying. You guys ever find it so annoying, like when you're running late to go somewhere and you might forget to do like your eyeliner or your eyelashes or whatever, and you get on the train or the bus and you're like, let me just do my eyelashes and my eyebrows or whatever, and then you got a whole audience of people. What are you looking at? What are you looking at? I'ma still do it, but just bitch, look somewhere else. Why are you still looking at me, fam? They won't understand. Back to reality. Let me do my eyeliner. I'm gonna see if I can get this in this frame. If I can't, I'm so sorry. Good angles, still bangles. I'm joking. Let's go. So, I'm surprised I did that quick. I mean, damn, come through accuracy. Fine motor skills on point. Hey, fine motor skills being trained from day. Anyway, for you guys who don't know what did I just say? I really wish I could remember what I said. I should really pause this and go back, but that's wrong, fam. I think it's the music. Wait, what was I? Fine motor skills. There we go. So guys, fine motor skills, if you didn't know, are basically when you give a baby, for example, a rattle to play with, you're exercising their fine motor skills, because they're using their fingers, the tip of their fingers. Do you know what I mean? So that all that is fine motor skills. Gross motor skills, okay, gross motor skills are what babies usually are when they are growing up. They start using their torso more, so they're using their big body parts now, so they're using their gross motor skills. What fine motor skills are when they're using their hands and they're doing little things to get accuracy right with their hands. That's why I just try to, you know, highlight, because that's a really good example of fine motor skills being trained to perfection. Yeah, anyway, let me show my feathers up. Let me go. Okay, we have just done the eyeliner, and I'm so happy, because that could have really went down the road, around the hill, across the street and into the stream. Okay, that could have ended real bad. The last step is going to be highlights. I'm gonna do that right now. So that is the Luminous Drops by Gosh. Put it on my hand like so. Taking out your phone, no keeper. Taking out your phone, no keeper. Let me take my little foundation brush by Eco Tools. Just spread out the product, and then I'm gonna just distribute it on my face. I don't plan on coming your way. And then I just get the fan brush and I just blend that out, buff it out. So yeah, so with the foundation brush, because it could be a little bit confusing, like how to use this type of product, like it's wet, Is it gonna move my foundation and my lovely work that I've got underneath? And no, it depends how you obviously apply it onto your face, baby. Anyway, that was a little bit on the cupidity bow. If you are more on the simpler quick look side, then you can just finish up now, put your lipstick on, baby girl, you will be fine. But if you like that little extra pizzazz, do this step if you want this, but if not, then just do what you want. So right now, guys, I'm going to take the Sleek Eye Divine palette, the 3AM one in particular, and I'm going to use the shade. Now, if I just show you guys the palette, it's got numbers on them, right? So when you get this, if you get this palette, it's going to have numbers on it. Now, the numbers, I'm going to use number 10. Make sure that you get a brush that is a nice, you know, good holding shadow brush that can drag that product for you. This product's going right underneath my lash line at the bottom, and it's just going to bring out my eyes a little bit more than what it is right now. And now I'm gonna add some lip liner. I'm gonna use MAC Chestnut. You know what? Not even a little bit, just to have some flavor there, right? I'm gonna take our matte lip gloss in 23. Guys, this shade, it rubbed out. I don't know what it's like. I'm advising you guys to get yourself a nice finishing spray. It doesn't have to be Revolution, any finishing spray you can find, just to keep your skin nice and refreshed throughout the day, honey. If you're sitting down somewhere, you feel a little bit hot, you feel a bit humid, you just take out your spray, you shoom, 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 and you're done. Now, guys, this is the last and final step for me. After I do this hair and I put it in a ponytail or whatever, I'm gonna be done. So guys, we are done with today's hair and makeup tutorial. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this look, baby. Okay.